again. Welcome to our interior stateroom on the MSC Divina. So we have an interior stateroom. It is about 150 square feet. As you can see, we have it set up in the king bed layout. Now with the king bed layout, what you have is you have the two dressers or side tables on each side. If you can also have it set up singly, where basically they separate the bed and they have the nightstands in between. You've got lamps and you've got buttons over here on the top that you can use to shut off your main lights. All the walls are magnetic, and so we like to use these hooks, these little magnetic hooks. I got 12 of them on Amazon for about $8, $9, and they're fantastic for decor. Some people hang decor, some people put them on the walls or on the outside of the door. As you can see here, we've got our lanyards, we've got hats, other things like that. So it's a nice way to stay organized when you're traveling. Moving this way, the closet space in here is very good for organization. You've got the closets with the hangers. More of the same, two closets with hangers. You've got a closet with shelves. And you have a set of drawers. Additionally, to keep ourselves organized, bought the shoe rack again on Amazon, bought it for around $10, hangs on the back of the door. You can also get magnetic clips for it. And here you can just hang and put a lot of your beauty products and medications, and just keeps everything all nice and neat. The bathroom, it's relatively small, but very functional. With, again, plenty of storage for your personal items. And a little secret pro tip for the rooms. As you walk in, because this MSC is a European line, you've got this thing here. Now, you have to put a card in here. You're supposed to put your room card, but what we've figured out is that if you put your little make up your room, do not disturb sign in there, it does the same thing. If you take this out after a minute, the lights will go off. But if you leave this in here, your lights will stay on as you need them. All right, we hope you enjoyed our tour.